Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to make your Reddit account not safe for work, you've come to the right place. So unfortunately you can do it in Reddit app, but you can do it by using your web browser. So click here, go to Reddit, click on these three dots and make it desktop site. Now you need to log in. I prefer login with my Google account. And once we've done that, click on our account image, click on settings, profile, and here we can see mark as mature. And what it should make, it's label your profile as not safe for work and ensures that it's inaccessible to people under 18. So we click on it, and that's all. Our account will be marked as mature. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.